Hey fabulous, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I am Terry. I hope you're all doing fine. So in today's video guys, I will be doing this makeup look right here, and I used a brand new makeup palette, well, to my channel, fairly new out there in the streets, and it is from the JUVIA'S place. It is the Wahala 2 palette. I am so in love with this makeup palette right here guys. Like, the pigmentation is up as usual. You know JUVIA'S is known for how vibrant their colors are. I mean, one touch and look at that. Love, 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 love. So guys, if you want to see how I reacted to this palette, like first impressions, and how I came up with this beautiful eye look right here, keep on watching. JUVIA'S Place dropped this palette a couple months ago. I know I'm late, but you know, it's new to me, so I'm just gonna like take it out the box. As usual, you have your bubble wrap and you have your palette. I ordered the Wahala 2 collections, however I only got the palette, so I am waiting to get my 2 glosses that should have came with the collection. So this is what it's looking like. Let me remove the film. Hope you guys can see those beautiful, beautiful colors. These colors are so pretty. I already started dipping in them and swatched a couple of the colors. So I already did my brows off camera. I'm gonna go ahead and come up with a look, and then I'll come back and show you guys what I came up with. So I'm back guys. I know I said I would do a look off camera and come back, but this palette is giving me life guys. I went in with one color. I'm not even finished yet. I went with Fury, and I'm just putting that on the outer part of my crease guys. We are gonna come up with this look together because I need to catch my reaction to these colors. Oh my gosh. So I'm just packing Fury on the outer part of my lid, and I'm kind of bringing it in towards the middle just a little bit. I'm not taking it into the inner part of my lid too much. So I'm just patting that in, and then I start to blend. I did base my eyes with the JUVIA'S concealer, and this is in number 12. Okay, so what color do I want to take next? I feel like, alright, I'm gonna go in with Jealous. It's at the bottom right here. It's this aquamarine looking color. I'm gonna use this color on top of Fury. Ooh. Okay, all right. I'm not mad at that. Oh my gosh, you don't need a lot of powder. That's what I'm picking up. So I'm just patting that on, and then I'm blending it out. And as you guys can see, I'm kind of losing a little bit of Fury, so I'm just gonna go back and forth with each brush to ensure that I am blending the colors together. So next I'm going to go in with Wicked. This is blue. It's a lighter blue than the one that I used before. I'm just going to add it right here. I'm just putting that right into the center, and I'm going to blend it into Fury. Alright, now time to add in some shimmer. I feel like I want to go in with, I'm gonna go in with Hater. Very pretty shimmer right there. Ooh, let's put it right here. Yeah, not really feeling it. Let's try it better. Ooh, okay. So I changed my mind. I'm gonna use a Venom. I'm gonna apply that right into that area right there that has no makeup. Okay, Venom. Okay. It's like an icy green color. Wow, that is super pretty. And to kind of like balance that off, I'm gonna go in with bold. I'm gonna use my finger. Ooh, that is pretty. Alright, so I'm putting Bold on top of Wicked, and Bold is like the shimmery version of Fury. I mean, they're next to each other. So yeah, I'm just going back in with a clean brush and I'm blending out the edges of my shimmer color. And in my inner tear duct area, I am going in with Fame. I'm going in with Fame. It's that white iridescent looking color up top right here. This is a liner slash lash glue. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my wing. This is what it looks like, guys. It has like a felt tip. While that dries down, I'm gonna add my mascara so that my lashes can blend in with my falsies that I'm about to apply. And I am using the Cream Shop Wisp Me Away, and this is the lengthening mascara. So these are the lashes that I'll be going in with today. And guys, this liner slash lash glue is a lifesaver, guys. Like, so easy. It is not messy at all, and it's so easy to install your lashes. Let me try do it on camera for you guys. Okay, you guys know I struggle with this, right? Boom. It is on. Fastest ever me ever apply lashes in my life. All right, you guys saw that? Did you guys see that? So I already moisturized my face. I'm gonna go ahead and prime. I'm using the Black Up Matifying primer. So for my foundation, I am using the JUVIA'S I Am Magic Velvet Matte Foundation. They are kind of dirty right now, okay, so don't judge me. I'm using both of these foundations. They're in the numbers 230 and 350. So I'm mixing both of these. And I'm also going to add in the concealer, which is in number 7. It's the JUVIA'S concealer in number 7. I'm going to take my damp sponge and I'm going to blend this into my skin. Next, I'm going to go with my concealer. I'm using JUVIA'S Space Concealer, and this is in number 12. I'm going to go ahead and use this to highlight my face. I'm going to make this concealer dry down a little bit so that I can have more coverage while I'm blending out. I'm going to go back in with the part that I used to blend out my foundation. I'm going to blend out the edges of the concealer. Now I'm gonna set my face. I'm using the JUVIA'S Place I Am Magic setting powder, and this is called Kalari. So before I go in and set, I'm gonna ensure that I'm not having any creasing, and then I take my powder and I'll press that in. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. Ooh, look at that eyeshadow pop. This is poopaging. Alright, now onto the lips. So I got the JUVIA'S lip liner. This is called Cola, and I also picked up their velvet matte lipstick, and this is called Muted. So I'm going to go ahead and do a natural lip as usual because the eyes are, you know, the eyes are going on with some things. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna go ahead and do a natural lip. This liner off the bat is so creamy, super creamy. it glides on so easily. So I'm gonna kind of like overline my lip just a little bit. This lipstick is so pretty, guys. This packaging is life. Look at it. Hope you guys can see that. Alright, so and it comes up like this. So that's what muted looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to my lips. First off the bat, for a matte lipstick, it doesn't go on dry. It feels moisturized on my lips and then it starts drying down after. So you don't feel like it's cutting up my lips at all. Okay, so I'm gonna keep the lips matte, so I'll be back, guys, with the reviews. Okay guys, so this is the finished results. I hope you guys like this makeup look as much as I did. I'm really in love with this Wahala palette. It is so gorgeous. You can achieve a lot of looks with this palette, and I decided to go for like this blue oceany vibe. Really love the way that it came out. The pigmentation is up. It is beautiful. Really loving this lipstick as well. It is called the Velvet Matte Lipstick, and this is from the Nude Chocolates collection, because they have different collections. It's from the Nude Chocolate collections and it's muted. Really cute. So I want to thank you guys so much for supporting me with whatever I choose to do on this channel right here. And if you guys loved this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, join the family, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Peace.